Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel, Arenga TV. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. And don't forget to tap the notification bell. Today, I'm taking you somewhere truly magical. Welcome to Notting Hill. Notting Hill started out in 1800s as a rural suburb, but over time it transformed into a vibrant hub of art, fashion, and music, especially after the arrival of Caribbean communities in the 1950s and 60s. This cultural fusion gave birth to one of Europe's biggest street festivals, the Notting Hill Carnival, held every August, filled with colorful costumes, steel drums, and pure joy. Whether you are here for the antics, the food, the street art, or just to soak in the vibes, Notting Hill is a visual feast, perfect for content creators, photographers, and storytellers like you and I. If you are ever in London, take a stroll through the Notting Hill. It's not just a neighborhood. It's a storybook of culture, creativity, and charm. Thank you for watching. If you loved this tour, please like the video, share it with a fellow traveler, and subscribe for more hidden gems across London. Until next time, keep exploring and bye-bye. Ó dàbọ̀. Hello, please, is this Notting Hill? Is this Notting Hill? This area? Where do they normally have the Notting Hill Carnival? Everywhere here.
Out the main floats are out on the big road. The next road is Laverick Grove.
Okay, the next road.
All around.
All around.
Yeah, all around.
Oh, okay.
And people everywhere.
So what's happening here now? Is this a market now?
Always a market.
Always, every day.
Carnival is only once a year.
Oh wow.
August.
Oh, thank you.
August bank holiday.
Oh, okay, thank you. Let's keep moving around and showcase to you what the street looks like.